Do you wake up with a headache? Have a painful jaw when you chew food? Have sensitive, worn out, or flat teeth?
If you have any of these symptoms, then you likely have bruxism.
So, what is bruxism?
Bruxism is where you grind your teeth and you're not even aware of it. This happens during the day, but for most people it happens while they're asleep. It can have many short-term and long-term effects, which can often be irreversible.
Fortunately, you came to the right place. You're about to discover what might be the most effective holistic teeth grinding cure ever developed.
Just visit our website mentioned in the description.